In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Wix data to Google Ads. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple path to connect your Wix site information to Google Ads, so you can measure performance or build smarter audiences. Start in your Google Ads account. From the left side, open the Tools menu and select Data Manager. This is where Google centralizes partner connections and data sources. On the Data Manager page, find the Featured Products section and click Search All. This opens the full gallery of connectors you can use. Type Wix into the search bar, then select the Wix option that appears. Next, you'll be asked to choose how you want to use your data. Pick the use case that fits your goal: conversions or audiences. Conversions are best if you want to send events like purchases or form submissions from Wix into Google Ads, so you can optimize and attribute results to your campaigns. Audiences are ideal if you want to build remarketing lists based on your Wix site activity, such as people who visited certain pages or started checkout but didn't finish, so you can tailor your ads to them. Take a moment to decide which outcome you need most right now. You can always return later to set up the other use case if it's relevant. After choosing your use case, click Continue. At this point, the linking process uses a third-party application called Zapier. Zapier is a trusted automation tool that securely connects apps and moves data between them. Follow the on-screen steps provided by Zapier. You'll be guided to authorize your Google Ads account and your Wix site, choose the specific triggers from Wix that should send data, and map fields so the right information lands in the right place in Google Ads. Zapier will typically offer a quick test to confirm everything is working before you turn the connection on. If you have higher data volumes, be aware that plan limits may apply. Zapier will show what's needed based on your setup. Once the connection is active, give it a little time. Conversions may start appearing in your Google Ads account as new actions you can track and optimize. If you set up audiences, you'll see those lists populate and grow as users meet your criteria. You can check back in Data Manager to confirm the connection status and make adjustments if needed. Always ensure that your data sharing complies with your site's privacy policy and user consent settings. And there you go. You've linked Wix data to Google Ads through Data Manager and Zapier, ready to power better measurement and more effective targeting.